Hello, I'm Jay from Aquastar Distributors, and this is...
Nikki. Hello, everybody.
What's your role here at Aquastar Distributors, Nikki?
I am the team builder and the director of food and beverages.
He takes his work extremely seriously. That's beside the point. Anyways, we are here today to talk to you about Dometic's vent filters. We get a lot of questions about these. They've made a bunch of changes along the years of production. Now today, as of spring 2025, Dometic only offers one vent filter. They used to offer it with and without the fittings, but they've now reduced it to just one, which is very nice, convenient for me as a reseller of their products. So this is the DVF Dometic vent filter, and it comes with the vent filter, the mounting bracket. It also includes the hardware for that, and then you have the choice of the 3 different fittings. A couple people get a little confused about how that's supposed to be changed. So you would loosen these retaining rings, you take off the red cap, you select the appropriate fitting that you need, and just be aware there is a nice O-ring with a liberal amount of silicone grease. You would select that fitting, put it on there, take that retaining ring, thread it on. This can be a little challenging. You may want to do this before you climb down in the bilge. And then you would do the same for the opposite side. So Dometic's vent filter is a patented design. It's fluted in the middle. The reason they did that is lots of vibration and moving on boats. They found that if this diameter is consistent across the whole length of the vent filter, sometimes what can happen is the charcoal media inside of this will settle down, and then waste gas can travel over, making the vent filter ineffective. So if you're experiencing an odor outside your boat, especially when you flush, it's probably time to change that vent filter out. We find that you get usually about 2 to 4 years or seasons, depending on how you utilize the system and where you're located. Obviously in Florida, the season is quite a bit longer than in Maine. So if you're in need of a vent filter, jump on our website. We usually have these at a very competitive price. We'd love to help you out and get you one of these vent filters. Thanks so much for watching.
And we'll see you in the next video.